My name is Fotis Boliakis. I am the CEO of Future Home Technology. We're in Port Jervis, New York, at the manufacturing plant. The advantage is that the quality is higher because you don't have to protect the home, the structure from the elements, and you're building it from the inside out versus from the outside in. If you build it from the inside out, you have a better opportunity to finish the wiring, to finish the plumbing, to finish the insulation before you build. It's a methodology of construction. The first one and the most traditional one, it's stick built. You build everything on site. You bring the raw material and then you create the structure on site. Here we create the structure and then we ship it over.
My name's Bill Good, standing here at Future Homes Technology in the floor department of the plant, looking at the project that we are building for New Jersey. Per living unit, there are actually 3 boxes that will get stacked on top of each other, and the total project is actually 24 boxes. From start to finish, will take a day and a half per floor going down the lines. So you're looking at probably a week to 8 to 10 days, and 1 living unit's outside, ready for shipment. What we have right here in this section of the factory is also where our walls are built, our side walls on both sides of the jigs here. They lay the drywall up against the wall, build the wall up against it, and after the wall is framed, they take the foam seal and they foam seal the drywall to the studs. After they build the walls in, they pick them across and bring them over to the setting area here where you're standing now. All the walls are assembled, set, caulked, sealed, all the corners screwed together and lagged, set on the units, and the units slid to the next station. After all the walls are assembled in this location, then the units then slid to the next department. Once it gets to the next department, which will take you to the ceiling area next, they build the ceilings on the 2nd floor of the plant, and they are picked off the table and they are actually dropped right on top of the units. Now that this is in the air, they'll take the ceiling itself, they'll take and slide it out on top of the unit, set it down on top of the unit, fasten it to the box with the proper nailing schedule to make the unit structurally sound to travel down the road. And as you see here, the house is in the insulation department right now, and what they're getting ready to do is insulate it, and after the insulation is done, they will move the whole house with the ceiling on and attached to the next workstation, where we also install all the exterior windows and doors and everything so that when we ship it down the road, the unit's weather tight. As the Jackson Green project progresses down the line, you will also see it in the same stages as the one behind me. We will bring it into the plumbing area. We will lift the unit into air so the employees can get underneath, finish all the plumbing, all the electrical and intermod connections, so when the unit is set in place and it's delivered down to Jersey City, the unit is ready for occupation.